Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.com.
Hello students, now we are discussing exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2, okay, that is three-dimensional geometry about lines, line in space, okay, line in space. Now to find out equation of line in space, we need two things. One is a point on the line and direction of the line, okay, point on the line and direction of the line, okay. Now if you know a point on the line, okay, if you know a single point on the line, passing through a single point, there will be infinitely many lines. There will be infinitely many lines. If you know 2 points on the line, there will be a unique line passing through 2 points on a line. Okay, like that you can find. Okay. Now, or else if you know a point on the line and line is parallel to some vector, means direction of the line is in the direction of the vector. Okay, then you can find equation of line. Okay, now equation of line passing through a point A and parallel to a vector B bar. Okay, equation of line passing through a point A in the direction of vector B bar is given by R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar, that is a vector form. Okay, equation of line passing through the point A, whose position vector with coordinates x1, y1, z1, and line is parallel to a vector whose direction ratios are a, b, c, then equation of line in Cartesian form is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Okay, these are the two formulas. One is vector form, one is Cartesian form. Okay, now see question number 4. Find equation of line which passes through the point 1, 2, 3 and parallel to the vector 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. What is given here? Required line is passing through the point 1, 2, 3 and parallel to this vector. So passing through point given and parallel to certain vector given. So I will explain both the vector form as well as Cartesian form. Okay, so what is given here? Line is passing through the point 1, 2, 3. Okay, now position vector of this point. Okay, I will consider this as a 1, 2, 3. So position vector of this point, what we can write, a bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Given line passes through the point with position vector a 1, 2, 3, whose position vector, okay, position vector of this point OA bar or a bar is given as I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So what else given? This line is parallel to this vector. Okay, this line is parallel to the vector 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. So this vector will consider as b bar. Given line passes through the point a 1, 2, 3, whose position vector is a bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and parallel to the vector b bar is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, so passing through point we have and parallel to vector we have. So equation of line passing through a point a bar and parallel to the vector b bar is given by r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. This is a vector form. R bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar, where lambda is any scalar or constant. Okay, so what we get, r bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, because a bar is what, I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, no? So I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda times of what is b bar? B bar is 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. So required equation of line is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar is r bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda times of 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, this is vector form. This is vector form. Now I didn't write Cartesian form. You write it. How to write? So passing through the point, what is given here? Passing through the point 1, 2, 3. So we'll consider this one as x1, y1, z1. Okay, and direction ratios of the vector parallel to this line is what, 3 to minus 2. So required equation of line in Cartesian form is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. So what we get, x minus 1 by 3 is equal to y minus 2 by 2 is equal to z minus 3 by minus 2. Okay, that is Cartesian form of this line equation. Okay, next question. Question number 5. Find equation of line in vector and Cartesian form. Here we have tried both vector and Cartesian form that passes through the point with position vector. So passes through the point given means a bar given, passes through the point with position vector a bar is equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap, and is in the direction I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. So required line is passing through the point whose position vector is 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap, and given line, required line is parallel to this vector. Okay, in the direction of this vector means parallel to this vector. What is this vector? Parallel to the vector I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Okay, so a bar is what? A bar is 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap, and b bar is I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Okay, that is what it is written here. Given that line passing through the point with position vector a bar is equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap, and parallel to the vector b bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Okay, passing through point given and parallel to the vector given. So equation of line in vector form. Okay, equation of line in vector form is given by, what is the formula? R bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. So r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. So r bar is equal to, what is a bar? 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap plus lambda times of what is b bar? I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, where lambda is a constant. But this is vector form. Now what we know? On a line we have infinitely many points, no? On a line we have infinitely many points. Now how we can get points here? By giving different values for lambda. Okay, give lambda 0, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, lambda 10, 100, minus 1, minus 2, minus 100, minus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2. Like this you give different values for lambda, you get different points on the line. Okay, now one such arbitrary point we'll consider as r bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap is the position vector of any arbitrary point p x y z on the line. Okay, on this line I'll consider some arbitrary point p x y z. Now p x y z position vector is what? Xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So r bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap is the position vector of any arbitrary point p x y z on this line. Okay, so what we get, left hand side r bar xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap is equal to right hand side I component plus j component plus k component. I'll write here what we have, 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap plus lambda times of I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. So what we can write, 2 plus lambda into I cap So 2 plus lambda into I cap. J component, J quotient minus 1 here, 2 lambda here. Minus 1 plus 2 lambda J cap plus K component 4 minus lambda. 4 minus lambda K component. Now here if you observe, two vectors are equal. Okay, component form given, no? Two vectors are equal. What is it meaning? Corresponding I quotients equal, corresponding J quotients equal, and corresponding K quotients equal. So what we have here, I quotient, left hand side x, right hand side 2 plus lambda. So x is equal to 2 plus lambda. So J component y here minus 1 plus 2 lambda. So y is equal to minus 1 plus 2 lambda. K component, left hand side z, right hand side 4 minus lambda. So z is equal to 4 minus lambda. So what we can write here, if you write lambda to this side, minus 2, no? So x minus 2 is equal to lambda. So what we can write, x minus 2 by 1 is equal to lambda. Okay, now here if you write minus 1 this side, it will be plus 1. So y plus 1 is equal to 2 lambda. So y plus 1 by 2 is equal to lambda. Y plus 1 by 2 is equal to lambda. Okay, now 4 comes to this side, minus 4, no? So z minus 4 is equal to minus lambda. So z minus 4 by minus 1 is equal to lambda. Okay, so what we have here, x minus 2 by 1 is equal to lambda, y plus 1 by 2 is equal to lambda, z minus 4 by minus 1 is equal to lambda. So by eliminating lambda from these three, so what we get, x minus 2 by 1 is equal to, y plus 1 by 2 is equal to z minus 4 by minus 1. Okay, these three are equal. So now this is Cartesian form of line equation. X minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Okay, so what is the answer here in Cartesian form? X minus 2 by 1 is equal to y plus 1 by 2 is equal to z minus 4 by minus 1. Okay, this is the Cartesian form of given line. Okay, this is the Cartesian form. Okay, next question. Find equation of line which passes through the point minus 2, 4, minus 5. So passing through point given and parallel to the line. Okay, parallel to the line, x plus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 8 by 6. What is given here? Line is passing through a point minus 2, 4, minus 5 and the line is parallel to the required line is parallel to this line. What is the line? X plus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 8 by 6. Okay, now what we know to find out equation of line, we need a point on the line and direction of the line. Okay, so required line is parallel to this line. So direction of this line and direction of required line both are same. Direction of this line and direction of required line both are same. Okay, so this line direction is what? This line is parallel to the vector, or else this line direction ratios are 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. So required line direction ratios also multiples of 3, 5, 6. Okay, 3, 5, 6. You can take 3, 5, 6 itself, or else multiply with 2, 6, 10, 12 like that. Okay. That is what it is written here. The direction ratios of the line x plus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 8 by 6 are 3, 5 and 6. So direction ratios of this line are 3, 5 and 6. What is given? Required line is parallel to this line. Okay, the required line is parallel to the line x plus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 8 by 6. So two lines are parallel means their directions are parallel. Okay, so direction ratios of required line are multiples of these directions. No? So direction ratios are 3k, 5k and 6k. Here k is some non-zero number. So what we have here, we got direction ratios of required line. Also we have passing through point. Okay, passing through what the point? minus 2, 4, minus 5. Okay, so what we know? Equation of line passing through the point x1, y1, z1 whose direction ratios are a, b, c is given by x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Okay, x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Okay, this is a required equation of line in Cartesian form. So here in place of x1 y1 z1 what we have? Minus 2 4 minus 5. In place of abc what we have? 3k 5k and 6k. Okay, 3k 5k and 6k. So a required equation of line in Cartesian form what we get? X minus x1. So x minus x1 is what? Minus 2, no? So minus of minus plus 2. Okay, so x plus 2 by 3k is equal to y minus y1 is what? 4, no? So y minus 4 by 5k is equal to z minus z1 is minus 5, so minus z1 is plus 5, z plus 5 by 6k. So what we can write here? X plus 2 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 5 by 6 is equal to lambda. Okay, this is the Cartesian form of a required line equation. Okay, this is Cartesian form. Next, vector form. So equation of line passing through the point a minus 2 4 minus 5 with position vector of this point what we can write? A bar is equal to minus 2y cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap, and parallel to the vector b bar. Now direction of required line is what? 3 5 6, no? So what we can write? B bar is equal to 3a cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap. So position vector passing through the point with position vector a bar is equal to minus 2a cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap, and parallel to the vector b bar is equal to 3a cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap. Okay, so required equation of line in Cartesian vector form is r bar is equal to what? R bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. So answer is r bar is equal to a bar minus 2a cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap plus lambda times of b bar is 3a cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap. Okay, this is the vector form of required line equation. Okay, next question, question number 7. A Cartesian form of line equation given, we have to write corresponding vector form. Okay, question, the Cartesian equation of line x minus 5 by 3 is equal to y plus 4 by 7 is equal to z minus 6 by 2. Okay, this is the Cartesian form of equation of line. We have its vector form. Okay, so this line, okay, I'll mark this one as 1. This line passing through the point 5 minus 4 6. Okay, the given line passes through the point 5 minus 4 6. Now position vector of this point what we can write? Position vector of this point 5 minus 4 6. Okay, position vector of this point is a bar is equal to 5i cap minus 4j cap plus 6k cap. Okay, so required line, given line x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c passes through the point x1 y1 z1, and whose direction ratios are a b c. So given line passes through the point 5 minus 4 6. So position vector of this point is 5i cap minus 4j cap plus 6k cap. Okay, so given line direction ratios are what? Given line direction ratios are 3 to 7, 3 7 and 2. So the required line is parallel to the vector. Okay, the line is in the direction of the vector. B bar is equal to 3i cap plus 7j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, B bar is equal to 3i cap plus 7j cap plus 2k cap. Now A bar we have, passing through point A bar we have, and parallel to the vector B bar we have. So equation of line in vector form is what? R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. So what is the answer? R bar is equal to what is A bar? A bar is 5i cap minus 4j cap plus 6k cap plus lambda times of what is B bar? B bar is 3i cap plus 7j cap plus 2k cap. Here lambda is any scalar or constant. This is the corresponding vector form of given Cartesian form of line equation. Okay, next question. Find equation of line that passes through the origin and the point 5 minus 2 3. Now here what is given? Passing through 2 points given. passing through 2 points. One is origin and other point is 5 minus 2 3. Okay, now when equation of line passing through 2 points, okay, passing through 2 points we can find equation of line. Now passing through 1 point we have, so we consider it as origin. So what else we need? We need direction. Always point minus point always gives direction ratios. Point minus point always gives direction ratios. Okay, so given line passing through the point origin, so a bar is equal to 0 bar, I'll consider. Direction ratios of the line passing through origin 0 0 0 and the point 5 minus 2 3. Okay, suppose a line is passing through the point x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2, then direction ratios of that line you can consider as x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. Okay, so direction ratios of line passing through 0 0 0 and 5 minus 2 3, what we can write? 5 minus 0 minus 2 minus 0 3 minus 0. So what we get? 5 minus 2 3. So direction ratios of required line are 5 minus 2 3. Direction ratios we have, okay, and passing through point origin. Okay, so given line is passing through 0 0 0 or else 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap and parallel to the vector 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Okay, so vector equation of line is what? R bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. R bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. So R bar is equal to a bar, I'll consider as 0 0 0. So 0 bar plus lambda times of what is b bar? No? 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. So R bar is equal to lambda times of 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Or else we can write like this also, because this line is passing through the point 5 minus 2 3, we can write passing through the point a bar as 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. That also we can write. In such case what will get? Equation of line R bar is equal to 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap plus lambda times of 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Okay, that answer, this answer, both are one in the same. Okay, this is Cartesian form. This is vector form. Now Cartesian form of equation of line. Okay, Cartesian equation of line passing through the point x1 y1 z1. Here passing through point, easy point is origin. No? So x1 y1 z1 I'll consider as 0 0 0 and in the direction of ABC, here ABC what we have? 5 minus 2 3. 5 minus 2 3. Okay, Cartesian equation of line passing through x1 y1 z1 and in the direction ABC, or else direction ratios of the line is ABC. Such line equation in Cartesian form is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. So what we get here? X minus 0 by a is how much more? 5 is equal to y minus y1 0, y minus 0 by y, b is what? Minus 2 is equal to z minus z1 by c, that is z minus 0 by 3. So what will get? Final answer we can write as required equation of line is x by 5 is equal to y by minus 2 is equal to z by 3. Okay, this is the Cartesian form of equation of line. Okay, we will conclude up to here. We will continue remaining concepts in next class. Thank you.